Yeah, so sorry about the other time. My paper got finished. So let's just go straight to our continuation. So now from this step, we go further. We have to clear out the square on the left hand side. So this gives us x plus b over 2a is equal to the square root of the whole term here. That's b squared minus 4ac everything over 4a squared. So we can rationalize this to be b squared minus 4ac over 4a, okay, over 4a squared. So you find the square root of 4a squared as well. So this gives us square root of b squared minus 4ac over square root of 4a squared. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a squared is a. That's this gives us 2a. I hope that's clear. So then from there, we can bring this down. That is x plus b over 2a, x plus b over 2a is equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2. So we need to make x to stand alone by making this other term crossover. When it crosses over, the sign changes. It becomes minus b over 2a plus or minus because the square root can be either even or plus. So plus or minus the square root of this. That is b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Don't forget that their denominators are the same, 2a, 2a. So find the LCM. The LCM definitely is 2a. This gives minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So with any value in the constants a, b, and c, you can easily solve for x. Now this here is your general formula. So as seen in what we have done before. So I believe, sorry, let me quickly show you. So you can see our final answer, and you can see the general formula before. So you can see the answers are the same. So I've shown you the steps to deriving this general formula by completing the square. So for any value in ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Once you know the value of a, you know the value of b, and you know the value of c, you can easily solve for x using the general formula. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and your comments, and share too. God bless you. Thank you for watching Westtutor. Enjoy your day.